He didn't pay attention to what he said. Lam yaltafit ila. He didn't pay any attention qawlihi to what he said. Lam yaltafit ila qawlihi. Lam yaltafit ila qawlihi. Lam yaltafit ila qawlihi. This was for male, and for female, lam taltafit ila qawlihi. Lam taltafit ila qawlihi. Lam taltafit ila qawlihi. So the difference between male and female is lam yaltafit for male and lam taltafit for female. He fell asleep. Annahu qad nama. Annahu qad nama. Annahu qad nama. And for female, annaha qad namat. Annaha qad namat means she fell asleep. So the difference between male and female is for male annahu and for female annaha, and for male nama, and for female verb should be namat. Annahu qad nama, and for female annaha qad namat. So let's begin with very important phrase ana jadirun. I deserve. I deserve to keep you away. Ana jadirun bimuba'adatik. Ana jadirun bimuba'adatik. Ana jadirun bimuba'adatik. I deserve to keep you away means ana jadirun bimuba'adatik. How do I marry her? Kayfa atazawwajuha. Kayfa atazawwajuha. Kayfa atazawwajuha. Kayfa atazawwajuha. And for female is how do I marry him? Kayfa atazawwajuhu. Kayfa atazawwajuhu. Kayfa atazawwajuhu. So the difference between male and female phrase is atazawwajuha and atazawwajuhu. Are you married? Hal anta mutazawwij. Hal anta mutazawwij. Hal anta mutazawwij. Hal anta mutazawwij. And for female, are you married? Hal anti mutazawwija. Hal anti mutazawwija. Hal anti mutazawwija. So the difference between male and female phrase is hal anta, and in female hal anti. And for male is mutazawwij, and for female is mutazawwija. So for male hal anta mutazawwij, and for female hal anti mutazawwija. When the night came, lamma means when, ata means came, al-laylu means the night. When the night came means lamma atal-laylu. Lamma atal-laylu. Lamma atal-laylu. When the night came. The next phrase is He says what he doesn't know. يقول means he says. ما لا يعلم means what he doesn't know. يقول ما لا يعلم. يقول ما لا يعلم. يقول ما لا يعلم. يقول ما لا يعلم. He says what he doesn't know. And for female, this phrase will be تقول ما لا تعلم. تقول ما لا تعلم. تقول ما لا تعلم. So the difference between male and female phrase is يقول he says, تقول she says. يقول he says, تقول she says. ما لا يعلم what he doesn't know. ما لا تعلم what she doesn't know. My husband is sick. زوجي مريض. زوجي مريض. زوجي مريض. And for female is my wife is sick. زوجتي مريضة. زوجتي مريضة. زوجتي مريضة. So the difference between a male and female phrase is زوجي means my husband. زوجتي means my wife. مريض means sick, and مريضة for female, and mean is sick. I understood what you said. قد فهمت كلامك. قد فهمت كلامك. قد فهمت كلامك. I understood means قد فهمت. كلامك means what you said. قد فهمت كلامك. قد فهمت كلامك. He went to take bath. ذهب means he went. ليغتسل means to take bath. ذهب ليغتسل. ذهب ليغتسل. ذهب ليغتسل means he went to take bath. And for female is she went to take bath. ذهبت لتغتسل. ذهبت لتغتسل. So the difference between male and female phrase is ذهب means he went. ذهبت means she went. ليغتسل to take bath for masculine, and لتغتسل for feminine. Who did that? من فعل ذلك. من فعل ذلك. Man means who. فعل means did. ذلك means that. Who did that? من فعل ذلك. من فعل ذلك. من فعل ذلك. If you do that, I will thank you. إن فعلت ذلك سأشكر لك. إن فعلت ذلك سأشكر لك. إن فعلت ذلك سأشكر لك. In means if, Fa'alta means you do. Dhalik means that. Sa'ashkuru, I will thank. Lak, you. In fa'alta dhalik sa'ashkuru lak. If you do that, I will thank you. And for female is in fa'alti dhalik sa'ashkuru lak. In fa'alti dhalik sa'ashkuru lak. In fa'alti dhalik sa'ashkuru lak. So the difference between male and female phrase is in fa'alta for male, in fa'alti for female. Sa'ashkuru laka for male, sa'ashkuru laki for female. I am amazed by his opinion. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yihi. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yihi. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yihi. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yihi. And for female is inni la'ajabu min ra'yiha. I am amazed by her opinion. Ra'yiha means her opinion. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yiha. So let's repeat. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yihi for male. Inni la'ajabu min ra'yiha for female. I know the truth of your article. Qad araftu means I know. Sidqa means the truth. Maqalatik means of your article. Qad araftu sidqa maqalatik. Qad araftu sidqa maqalatik. Qad araftu sidqa maqalatik means I know the truth of your article. Qad araftu sidqa maqalatik. He is naughty. Huwa means he is. Shaqiyun means naughty. Huwa shaqiyun. Huwa shaqiyun. Huwa shaqiyun. Huwa shaqiyun. He is naughty. I have a trick. Indi, I have. Minal hilati means a trick. I have a trick. Indi minal hilati. Indi minal hilati. Indi minal hilah. Indi minal hilati. You can pronounce this phrase in two forms like عندي من الحيلة عندي من الحيلة